I've just entered the URL. The home page clearly states the purpose of the project. The navigation is pretty easy. It's pretty much simplified. New to North Central. What is North Central? North Central Victoria? It could have been mentioned easy. Weed identification. I can set multiple options. Good. Searching. The layout can be better, can be a little more pleasing. It could have had a background image or something to show the categories. What if I want to delete my selection? Or UI can be better, can add a delete mark or something so the usability is easy. Looks like there was a little glitch with the search. The button disappeared. The result is pretty informative, but the layout can be better. It seems so simple, planned. Looks like there's too many information in a single page. That could be better too. No more. Can change that. Going to the grants. EPA Victoria, Ability Community Grant. The grant's pretty informative, but if I could access their website from this page, it would be much better. Overall, the website is pretty informative and usable. The layout and the design can be much better though. That's it.